Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to light up some fatwood from Shalisha Shell. By the way, Shalisha Shell sells some of the best fatwood on Etsy. Right now, if you order $35 or more, the shipping is free. But before I light up some fatwood from Shalisha Shell, let me pop over my beer. And today's beer, Hoppin' Nomad IPA. This is a light beer. It's only 4.5% alcohol by volume. Cheers, everyone. Great beer. All right, enough of this. Let's light up some fatwood. Check this out. Some premium, freshly harvested fatwood from Shalisha Shell. I love the smell of this fatwood right here. It might be red pine. Hell yeah, great smell. In my Fab Creations big brother. Bruce, I hope you're doing good. Haven't seen you in a while, haven't seen a video from you in a while. Light up some fatwood once in a while. Here we go, folks. There it is. Remember, folks, go check out Shalisha Shell's Etsy store. Get yourself some big chunks like this, freshly harvested. You can't beat that. Great price. And if you order $35 or more, you get free shipping. Get yourself some fatwood, folks, and light it up. All right, folks, remember, get yourself some fatwood from Shalisha Shell, fresh from the pine trees. Cheers, everyone. See you in the next video.